All right, Andy Slawetsky here from What's Happening. We are in Nashville. We have just arrived. The Patriots Pack is in Nashville after a long trip from Memphis this morning. I'm here with Paco, the team leader from the Patriots Pack. Paco, I got a couple questions for you. How's the ride going so far?
Absolutely fantastic. It couldn't be any better. We had a little rain, little wind, but after, 1,800 miles, here we are, and it's been fantastic.
Awesome. So, quick question: what do you think about while you're riding?
Well, that's a good question, and I really give it a lot of thought, but I really think it's some kind of calling. It started out as kind of a joke bucket list thing, and all of a sudden it's turned into this huge Jillian Fund event, and I feel like we're really capturing all kinds of donations and getting all kinds of attention. And frankly, the Great America Girls are here, and Mars is a big supporter with the sweet vehicle. So I think we're doing it for all the right reasons.
So what's the funniest thing that's happened on this ride so far?
Some of it you probably can't talk about, but
Probably.
One guy said, hey, a bird hit me in the head and I have some issues. That's kind of funny. And then there was another one that happened, but I'll keep that close to the chest.
Close to the chest?
Yeah.
So how was the, you hit some serious rain outside of OKC. How was the morale after you got through that? Actually,
It was great. When we got up in the morning, we realized it was pretty bad. So JB slowed down the pace. All the riders are great riders. We got our gear on, off we went. And the truth is, we kind of rode out of it. And by the time we rode out of it, everybody was excited to be free and clear.
Awesome. What part of your body hurts the most right now?
I gotta say my back definitely feels every bump that we hit, but I feel good.
I'm gonna say a different part when I do mine later.
Yeah.
The last question, I guess. So who have you seen so far, and who are you going to see?
Well, we've seen the Berries at MCC. We went to Image Tech with Patrick Russell and
ImageNet in where was they in OKC?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. And we saw Barry Simon over at DataMax. So we've had a great, consistent group of people that meet fantastic dealerships and really, really wonderful friends of the pack.
And most importantly, they all fed us.
And they all fed us great food. And they all had their people in the parking lot, and they welcomed us, and it was really fun. In fact, one of them over in Albuquerque, they gave us a police escort through right to the office. So it was fantastic.
That was awesome. We had that too in OKC. We've had a really good couple of days. So
a lot of great treatment.
Well, you stay safe and keep me safe, and we'll do another one of these when we get to DC.
I promised your dad, so you and I are in cahoots.
All right. Peace out, buddy.
Yeah, thank you.